So, part 2 of this video, because I just got cut off. But, so we only had like one bad night where we went to go see Mark Shepherdson out on Sunset Beach area. We were trying to meet up with him, and so he told us a cool spot to go hammock camp at. We set up everything, and the tarp that I ordered on Amazon before we left Arizona was actually too short. Didn't fit the length of our hammock, so we got drenched. That's how the laptop got messed up. And yeah, we were like soaking wet. Everything was wet. And then we walked down the road to like a beach, the beach park bathroom area, and tried cleaning up our stuff, wringing out our clothes and everything, and tried to dry up, and ended up crashing in there for the night. So and then we left the next day. We still haven't seen Mark yet. Not sure if we're going to or what, but we'll see. And yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to get some more vlogging in. I've been staying away from like the waterfalls and certain things and like surfing and stuff because before we left Arizona, I hopped on a Harley Davidson and I got off on the wrong side, so I burnt my leg on the exhaust pipe, like really bad. It was a 2nd-degree burn, so I haven't been able to get in water. So yeah, here's my leg. I got it bandaged up. It's like so gross. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, it's so grody. Look at that. Oh, so nasty. But it's healing up really good, so I probably have like another week before I can get into the water, and then we'll be doing the checking out all the waterfalls around the island. And things didn't work out for us in Maui like we planned, so that's why we're in Oahu. We only spent one night in Maui, and then the next day we just got plane tickets and island hopped over to Oahu. And so like our second day in Maui, we pretty much spent the whole time at the airport. But yeah, so that's just to update you guys, let you know what's going on, and subscribe, hit like, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll keep you posted on everything as we go. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mahalo.